Hello and welcome. Today we created Jetpack Compose based login screen. This is a username field and this is a password field, and when we click on the login button it display under the toast. So whatever we entered in the username field and whatever we entered in the password field, it will be displayed on the toast. So this is a simple example to demonstrate how to create a Jetpack Compose based login UI. If we move to the coding phase, this is how the implementation of login screen Jetpack Compose is working. It emits an on login click function which we can capture in our surface. This is how we are using this login screen on login, and it is have on login clicked event, and inside it gives two parameters, username and password, which we can utilize to make the user login. When we came down in our login screen, we create two mutables to remember the username and the password entered, and then we create a column. This column is vertical and aligning everything in center. We added 16 dp padding and fill maximum size. Then we create a text field which will simply display the welcome back, which you can see here. This is a welcome back. And after that we added the font size of 24 sp and the modifier to add a bottom 16 dp padding. Then what we did is we created an outlined text field. This text field have a value which is attached to the username, which is a mutable, and dot value, and on value change we add an event of username dot value dot it, and whatever the value is changed it will be reflected on the mutable of username, and a label which is saying this is a username field, and a placeholder which says enter username. Then we have a modifier to fill the maximum available width. Similarly, we created a password field, and which is also a outlined text field. But what makes it a password? This one, password visual transformation. This will change this normal outline text field into a password visualized transform, so everything typed into will convert it to the statics. Then we add a spacer of height 16 dp and a simple button which emits on click listener, and this on login clicked, this will reflect it to the on login click, and it calls on login click, so it simply reflects here. So when we click that, we capture this button event here, so which will show a toast by simply toast.make text, and after the text is simply says login, and the modifier fills the maximum width. So that's how we create a simple Jetpack Compose based login screen. Thank you.